Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Trying to open your .php file in a browser, but it's just showing code instead of running. That's because PHP files need a server environment, even on your own PC. But don't worry, it's super easy to set up. I'll show you exactly how to run your PHP file using a local server setup with XAMPP. First, go to apachefriends.org and download XAMPP for your operating system. It's free, safe, and includes everything you need: Apache, PHP, and MySQL. Once installed, open XAMPP control panel and start the Apache module. Now, go to the folder where XAMPP is installed, usually C/XAMPP, and open the htdocs folder. This is where you'll put your PHP files. Let's say your file is called test.php. Just move or copy it into the htdocs folder. Now open your browser and type http localhost doctest.php. If everything is working, your PHP code will now execute in the browser. If you see errors, make sure Apache is running in the XAMPP control panel. Double-check that your file has a .php extension. Make sure it's inside the htdocs folder. That's all. You now have a working PHP environment right on your own computer. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.